Welcome! Today we're tackling a common frustration, Pinterest not opening on your PC. Don't worry, we'll go through some simple steps to get you back to pinning in no time. First things first, sometimes the easiest solution is the best. Close your browser completely, and then reopen it. This gives it a fresh start and can resolve minor glitches. If that didn't work, let's try refreshing the Pinterest web page. Look for the refresh icon, usually at the top left of your browser, and give it a click. This reloads the page and can fix loading issues. Next, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. Head down to the notifications area on your computer. Find and click the network icon. Double-check that you're connected to your usual network and that everything looks as it should. Sometimes, the issue isn't just with the connection, but with your device itself. A simple restart can work wonders. Press the Windows icon, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then power your computer back on by pressing the power button. If Pinterest is still stubbornly refusing to open, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These stored files can sometimes interfere with website performance. To do this, click on the three dots at the top right of your browser. Then, find and click on Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, make sure all the options are checked, and the time range is set to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data. Clearing your cache and cookies can significantly improve performance. If you're on Windows, your Pinterest app might be damaged or corrupted. You can try to repair it by going to the Start menu, then Settings, and then Apps. From there, select Installed Apps, locate Pinterest, and click the three dots on the right. Choose Advanced Options and scroll down to the Reset section. First, try the Repair option. If that doesn't work, you can reset the app, but be aware that this will delete your preferences and sign-in info. As a last resort, you can uninstall and then reinstall the Pinterest app from the Microsoft Store. If you're on a mobile device, updating the Pinterest app can resolve persistent issues. For Android, open the Google Play Store app, tap the menu icon, go to My Apps and Games, find Pinterest, and tap Update if available. For iOS, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, scroll to see pending updates, and tap Update next to Pinterest if available. Reinstalling the Pinterest app on your mobile device can also act as a clean slate. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Pinterest and tap Uninstall. Then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. On iOS, press and hold the Pinterest app icon, tap Delete App and confirm, then visit the App Store to get a fresh copy of Pinterest. One of these steps should hopefully get Pinterest back up and running for you. Happy pinning!